Add a few drops of your favorite aromatic oil into a cup containing tap or mineral water. Open the purple clay cover, pull the breakwater to the rightmost position and pour into the water container until the red fill level is reached. Be careful not to fill it beyond the fill line, otherwise the amount of mist might be reduced. Rotate the breakwater back to the central position and replace the cover. Use the remote control to turn the diffuser on and select the desired settings for time, music, and LED lights.